Hi friends, welcome to the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G and S21 Ultra 5G. As you can see, the size of the box has reduced. It's a very slim design, sleek. Both S21 Ultra as well as S21 Plus. I didn't get an S21 for review. I will show you with the S21 Plus and Note 20 Ultra boxes how it has changed. You can see the differences. S20 Ultra, and if we see the S21, this is Note 20 Ultra. So this much thickness they have reduced. Okay, let's have a look inside the new boxes. First, which one to open? Let's open S21 Plus. Okay, that's the phone. Okay, we'll talk about it. Let's see the accessories which all we have got. That's all the casing. We have got the SIM ejector, manuals, data cable. That's all. There is no AKG headset. There is no travel adapter. Strange. Okay, let's see what's inside S21 Ultra 5G. Okay, so the casing, same SIM ejector, manuals, and the data cable. And data cable, it's a C type both ends for both S21 Ultra and S21 Plus. Okay, seems like we have to depend on some other travel adapter. Okay, so S21 Plus comes in 3 different colors: Phantom Violet, Phantom Black, and Phantom Silver. So this one is a Phantom Violet. As you can see, the phone has got a dual tone. It has got a copper color casing around the camera. It's like acting like a protective shield for this camera. If we keep on the table like this flat, there won't be any scratches on the camera lens, you can say. So it has given a metallic body. I think it's not glass finish, and it's kind of matte finish also. It's not that much glassy. Okay, yeah. And talking about the screen, they have given a flat screen for this one. The edges are not curved, so that is one change. The major change is all the S21 series are 5G. Okay, this is S21 Ultra. So as you can see, it's a pure metallic. It doesn't feel like metallic, but it's a matte finish back panel, and the color on the around the camera, the shielding, it's little different. It's little shiny and feels metallic. It's a solid, super. And the screen, it has got a little curve edge we have got. The screen is 6.8 inches. Okay, for S21 Plus it is 6.7 inches, and S21 Ultra is 6.8 inches. Okay, yeah, we can identify a little difference in height and width. Okay, so S21 Ultra comes in 2 different colors, that is a Phantom Black and a Phantom Silver. So S21 Plus comes with 2 different internal memories, like 128 and 256 GB. Ultra has got starting is a 256 GB and maximum is 512 GB. The screen size is 6.8 and 6.7 for S21 Plus and Ultra. Then the screen refresh rate is 120 Hz. That has not changed. That's super. Okay. Then the processor is 2.9 gigahertz octa-core processor, and the cameras are in ultra. We have got 4 different cameras. That is 108 wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel tele, that is 3x zoom, and 10 megapixel tele with telephoto with 10x zoom. Okay, and for S21 Plus it is a 12 megapixel camera, that is wide angle, then 12 megapixel again for ultra wide, then we have got 64 megapixel telephoto camera. That is the real attractive feature in S21 Plus, I think. Then the maximum zoom is in 30x maximum zoom is given in S21 Plus. The battery for S21 Plus it is 4800 mAh, and for S21 Ultra it is 5000 mAh. And one more very attractive specification or function in S21 Ultra is it is S Pen compatible. Hi friends, so we are going to check the camera zoom capacity in S21 Plus. So I have just opened 16:9 ultra wide sensor. Just let me zoom it. Okay, so we reached 6.2. That's it. 10x, 15x, 20x, and this is 30x. Okay, so it's okay, not that much high quality, but it's okay. This is actually 0.5x the normal zoom. So we'll go one more time. This is going to 2.8x, 5.7x, this is 13x, and this is 30x. This is the maximum. So I'm holding it still. This I am shooting in morning around 8:30, so enough light is there. So this is in S21 Plus. So we will see the S21 Ultra also. Hi friends, so this is S21 Ultra. So this also we are going to check the zoom. This is 100x zoom maximum. So let me start the zoom. It's 5x. This is 30x. Okay, see, keeping it in 30x, I feel like this is having more clarity than S21 Plus. Okay, let's go further. This is 100x. Oh my god, I'm holding it still there is little grains. Okay, keeping it in 17x is good clarity. So when it goes further till 20x, 30x, it is good clarity. Wow. Super. Okay, we will zoom on to some other object. Let's go. There is an electric post. Let's zoom into that one. Okay. This is just 26x. Oh god. So I would say, like, compared to Note 20 Ultra and S20, the zoom and the clarity has got increased. It has it's not that much shaking. Okay, let me take a pic in 100x zoom. Okay, it's too much. Hi friends, we are going to check the front camera on both devices, S20 Plus, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. So S21 Ultra is having 40 megapixel and S21 is a 10 megapixel. So I feel like Ultra is giving more natural feeling. There is no filter added, there is no smoothness added. In S21 I think they have made a more clear picture, adding some filter on top. I think the skin is smooth, but this is giving a natural look. Let's take a pic. Okay, so I feel like Ultra is giving more natural look, so this is both are good. So